Hey, what's up guys, this is Crispy and today I'm gonna teach you the literal basics to the game called osu. So you don't want to use the default skin, you want to use the community made skins before you have a serious eye damage. To change your skin, simply click on options and then type skin. As you can see here, the default skin is currently being applied and you can change them after downloading the skins you want to use. You can either download a skin directly from a link or search in the osu site and type skin. There are many skins for you to choose from, but you just need to find the one that suits your playstyle. I personally recommend using the Clear Skin Ultra by Fatality for new players. If you want to install the skin, you can simply just drag them into the osu game, just like installing your bitmaps. Don't use the mouse to click faster. You should be clicking with your keyboard. The default keys should be Z and X. Here's an example of me clicking with mouse and keyboard. As you can see, the difference is much better with keyboard than mouse. For extra settings, I recommend setting the background dim to max and ignoring bitmap skins. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you learned a tip or two in this video.